Hello, welcome back to Spot Audio channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to mute word on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been installed before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, in the upper of the left corner, there is a symbol of you to click it. It means your profile picture. Click on. And please go to the settings and privacy. And after that, you can go to the privacy and safety. Okay, let's move to mute and block for the fourth of the symbol here. Mute and block. And how to mute words on Twitter, you can click mute words. Okay, now you don't have the mute word that you want to be mute. And how to edit, you can click on the plus symbol in the below of the right corner and enter word or phrase here. And after the type about it, you can click save in the upper of the right corner. Okay, if people mention you for the word about this is not allowed for you and is automatically mute for your Twitter. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to mute words on Twitter for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.